after 2,000 years of theology, which is not really theology in the true sense of the word, which is the knowledge of God, is what the word would imply. It is nothing more than the traditions of men. Man has a certain set concepts of what God ought to have done, and he teaches it as theology. Ordaining people is not based upon the truth of Scripture. Some lady came to me once, it was about 6 weeks ago. At the end of the meeting, she came forward. She said, "I will take your theories under consideration." I said, "Well, thank you very much." Then she said to me, "You know, I am an ordained minister." I said, "Well, that's very nice." She said, "Are you ordained?" I said, "Not by man, no." "Undoubtedly you were ordained by a man, weren't you?" She said, "By a minister." I said, "Well, is he a man?" "Oh, yes." "Well, then he was a man. And you call him a minister." "Well, all right, he was a minister, and he's a man." Let me tell you, they are not theories. You say you're going to take my theories under consideration. I speak from experience. I am not speculating. I am not theorizing. I am telling you what I know from experience. And that which a man knows from experience, he knows more thoroughly than he knows anything else in this world, or than he can know that same thing in any other way. Now, you heard me tonight, and you call it a theory. You can't deny that you heard it, therefore you can say, "Well, I know what he said." But you know it as hearsay. You don't know it from experience. The day will come you will know what I'm saying to be true, because you will know it from experience. Until you have experienced it, it is still only to you theory. Something that someone said, and it's hearsay. So you're going to go home and take it under consideration. Or you go and take it under consideration. And one day, in God's infinite mercy, He will unveil Himself within you. And you will find that you, in spite of your present sex, you will be God the Father.